Good morning everyone. We are from class +2 Commerce and our project is called Pizzabot. My name is Tanish. I am creator and publisher of this project called Pizzabot. Pizzabot is basically an AI chatbot that assists people to order pizza easily and quickly. It saves people time as well as efforts. Now instead of standing in line for hours or searching menus for hours, you can just chat with Pizzabot. It will order pizza on behalf of you according to your preferences. It will suggest you different kind of pizza available at different prices. We have worked together and hard for Pizzabot. We made Pizzabot with the help of artificial intelligence. Pizzabot focuses on making people life more convenient and easy.
My name is Raghav. I am the data analyst of this project. My work is to collect data and train the Pizzabot. We used a tool called Dialogflow by Google. It helps the bot understand what people say. If someone says we want a cheese pizza, the bot gives us right options away. It can also tell us price, toppings, and suggest the new pizzas. Pizzabot is fast, easy, and fun to use. Our aim is to make it very helpful.
My name is Sujoy. I am the designer of the product called Pizzabot. I designed the product and look of Pizzabot. We wanted it to be colorful, clean, and easy to use. We tested it with our classmates and they liked it, how simple it works. This project we learned teamwork and how AI helps in our real life. In future, we add voice features and more languages. Thank you.